What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
1975 Chevy Caprice. Got a built 350 with a cam, a bunch of stuff done to it. Shorty headers. What we got done on it for them, hate to do it, but we have to put cats on it. Anyways, we got shorty headers there, and then we built 2 1/4 up front into 2.5-inch cats, then 2.5-inch pipe into 2 Jones JFPs, 2.25, but we made them 2.5, so we expanded them on each side. You can expand them. So make sure if you want to do the 2.5, get the 2.5 part. There'll be a link in the description for them and the high flow cats. And then we turned them down there and there because he's gonna squat it and do a lot of stuff to it. So there it is, right there. Really clean, really nicely done. You guys can see, check that out. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful content. It still needs a tune and everything, guys, so we'll see. We'll see how she sounds right now. Oh, that's nice. Back it out. Chevy Caprice 75. That sounds sick. Ultimate sleeper, baby. Here on the inside. Chevy Caprice 1975. He's gonna give us one pull before he loads it up to the trailer, which we appreciate. Get you guys a drive off. Yeah, it still needs a tune. There she goes.